Hey guys, so I know I showed you the other shops. We talked about doing tires and things like that. Everybody had so many good ideas. So it ends up, the first two shops, I should say, it ends up that we opened a third one. So I just wanted to invite you in here and see this one. And if you're from the area, you'll probably recognize it. But so here we decided to just do oil changes only. So, and we are going to do some uploads here for you too on YouTube for some of those items as well, for oil changes. This is where our disposable stuff is now. Here's the new shop. You haven't seen this one yet. It's kind of weird. I know it's a third location in the same town, but there is a big need for this stuff here. So our front lobby area is not a very big one, but the shop itself is really big. The beautiful part is that we have doors on both sides. That one can hold 4 cars. This one here can only hold about 2 cars in and out. The other great thing is the location. It's right on the highway. If you exit out these doors, it goes right out to the main street, the main corner of town. So this is just like lube, oil, and filter. So I just wanted to invite you to this shop because you haven't seen it yet. Possibly a 4th one coming. We're not sure yet. I'll keep you posted on that, but keep watching. I enjoy and love every one of you. Thank you so much.